Hello my friends, and welcome back to another unboxing video with your best friend Scott. So for today's video we're checking out the Top Dog soaker. This is 50 feet. Alright, so you guys can see how it looks. So this is a soaker hose. Some information if you want to pause the video and see. So they give you all these different extension ends in here. Now you can cut your hose how you want and then install each end. Right now garden season hasn't started for us officially, so we're gonna wait to do that. But then you can just easily connect each one on. So you take off the caps, connect it on, cut where you need to, and go from there. So if you need something for a soaker garden, you know, this is gonna be the key. Gonna do the trick.